Hi there, my name is Jocelyn Loya and I'm a college advisor at Abraham Lincoln High School. I work with the entire senior class, basically helping them figure out what they want to do with their lives after high school. And I'm here to give you a really important message about this upcoming Monday, October 24th. We're going to have a financial aid workshop to help students complete their FAFSA and their CASFA applications. These two applications, you may or may not have heard about them, but they are applications to begin the process of financial aid to help students pay for their post-secondary plans, whether that's a technical college, two-year college, or a four-year university. If a student is not 100% sure what they want to do after high school, it's still really important to complete this application. It's a first come, first serve, so the earlier that you complete this application, the more funds that are available. That way the student then can spring semester. A lot of students change their mind in a couple of months, and so it's really important to just get this application done. The most important thing that we need for the application is the 2021 taxes information from family members. And so students know that they have to ask for this information. So if your student comes to you and asks for this information, it's my fault. We do need this information. That's the state and the federal government uses this information to determine how much financial aid a student is going to receive. You can send on Monday, October 24th, students have the opportunity to sign up for an appointment at 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., or 5 p.m. So students can sign up for those. You can come with your student, or you could give the student the information that we need, and we'll help them fill out that application on Monday, October 24th. If you have any questions, my contact information is going to be included in this message, and please let me know if there's anything that I could help with. Thank you.